In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gamepad to Smart TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use any controller that you have with a Smart TV. This will be done using a wireless connection, so your particular controller model needs to support Bluetooth. I'm still going to talk about what to do if you don't want to use a wireless connection or if it doesn't support it, but I believe that the most convenient and the primary way of connecting them is going to be through Bluetooth. So it is what I'm going to be focusing on in this video. So if you have a Samsung TV, the option is going to be available under Settings, then Connection, which is this third icon, and then External Device Manager. If you have a TV from another brand, then look for the option to connect Bluetooth accessories elsewhere. I cannot give you instructions for every single model out there. I apologize. So once you go into External Device Manager for a Samsung TV, you will find Bluetooth device list. Inside, you can set up your controller. So for example, on the Xbox controller, you press and hold this button here at the top, and this will enable pairing mode, making it so that the controller appears on the list of available devices. If you have another controller from another brand, for example a PlayStation controller, you have to press the PlayStation button and the share button to enable pairing mode. If you have a Nintendo Switch Pro controller, it should also have a synchronize button, but like I said before, because there are plenty of different gamepad models out there, I cannot cover all of them. If needed, search for specific instructions on what to do to set up pairing mode for your controller. But regardless, once it appears on the list of Bluetooth devices, you choose it here, and it is going to be paired up, so a pop-up will appear telling you that it was successfully connected, and now you should be able to browse through the menus, and when you get inside of a specific app or even a game, depending on what you are doing, for example Xbox Cloud Gaming, it should work right away. Now, if you don't want to use Bluetooth, then you will need to plug one end of a cable into the controller and the other one into any of the available ports on the back or the front of your TV. You will need a lengthy cable depending on how far away you are, but it should also work flawlessly. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Gamepad to Smart TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.